In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert line to polyline in AutoCAD. Turning a group of separate line segments into a single, clean polyline is a small step that unlocks a lot of power. A polyline lets you offset the whole path at once, apply a uniform width, fillet or chamfer continuously, and measure total length without adding up each piece. Before we do it, take a moment to make sure your segments actually touch end to end. Zoom in and check that each endpoint meets the next without gaps or overlaps. It also helps if everything you want to join is on the same layer and at the same elevation, since AutoCAD won't join objects that don't meet or that aren't coplanar. If you use Object Snap, having endpoint enabled makes these checks quick and reliable. When you're ready, use your mouse to select the entire group of connected lines. You can drag a window around them or click them one by one, whatever is easiest in your drawing. Be careful to include every segment in the chain you want to merge, and avoid selecting stray geometry that isn't part of the path. If you see grips light up on all the right pieces, you're set. Now go to the command line, type join, and press enter. AutoCAD will process your selection and convert the separate line segments into a single polyline wherever their endpoints are coincident and their geometry allows it. This usually happens instantly. If everything was properly connected, you'll end up with one continuous object. A quick way to confirm the result is to click the object you just created. You should see a single selection with grips running along the entire path, rather than individual segments lighting up separately. In the Properties palette, the object type will be listed as polyline, and the length shown will be for the whole path. That's a great sanity check before you move on to editing. If you notice that only some parts joined, that usually means there are tiny gaps, overlaps, or mismatched elevations between segments. Resolve those issues, make sure the endpoints actually meet, and run Join Again. The same approach works if your path includes arcs. As long as the endpoints connect and the objects are compatible, Join will include them in the resulting polyline. And that's all there is to it. Select the connected lines, type Join, press Enter, and you're done. Simple, fast, and a big time saver for downstream edits. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.